What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another day of programming. This is day 93 of the operating system project. So we are going to get started. I'm going to send the link to my Discord real quick so some people could join up. I want you guys to leave a comment. So what I'm thinking, guys, is I could... And guys, tell me if you guys don't want this in the comments, right? Because I'm all ears. But what if I do just the operating system? I think this would help me, um, like finally have a goal. Because here I feel like I'm just like kind of just doing whatever. But I feel like what we should do is I should do the programming, edit it down, and then post it. And then I'll just be like a couple days behind. Question: can we use... Okay, wait, hold on. I'll read that in a sec. I gotta send this to Discord, and then I'll have it on my phone. Okay. All right. I sent that to Discord. Now I'm going to pull up my chat. All right, cool. So, let's get started. What the fuck? You're gonna post... Whoa. What does that say? I'm gonna post what? Could run it on virtualized hardware here. Whoa, what is that? Well, let me look it up real quick. Whoa. This? Oh, let me pull up chat. Hello, Mr. Scoopy Poopy. What does that mean? You're gonna post the Goon streams to YouTube? Maybe. So, okay. Start projects. So what is this? What is this? You said we could emulate... We could try the STM. Okay. And just load my operating system on it. Hello STM32. Oh my gosh, guys. Wait, this is actually so cool. Oh shoot, my phone turned off. Run that sample and yeah. Okay. Okay, it uses C. But I'm not seeing shit going on here. Is ARM so you can't... Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about this, okay? I was thinking of making better content for you guys in terms of, I'll do the programming every day on stream, but I'll go back and edit those videos down so it kind of makes it easier for you guys to watch. If you guys want, it's kind of like a shorter version. I think there's... I could kind of do that on my other channel almost, kind of like a cut down version. Sorry guys. What, do you have my address as your wallpaper? Where is this? Is this oh, this is in Italy. This is in Italy. This is Rome, I believe. This is near the Colosseum, right? Where's this at? I'm gonna be dead fucking wrong. I'm calling it. I'm gonna be, yeah, yeah, I was right. It was Rome. I think I've been here. Oh shit. Okay, we should still be streaming. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to do that. All right. Enough yapping. Let's get started. What are you guys talking about in my comment section? Okay. Clear. Let's get rid of this on the side. Oh my gosh. Run Kitty. Yesterday we were figuring out what the fuck was wrong. ethos make. Oh wait, no, it works. Wait, now I'm confused. Wait, now I'm confused. Because I thought last time we ran it, didn't it not work? Ethan, we gooning the stream? Hell yeah, we are. Probably not. We're probably not gooning. I could set that though. I always put this as a goal, but I don't really know what I do if we hit this goal. I don't really know what we do. Okay, so yesterday we were having problems with our processes file because we had it declared somewhere else. We had pro declared somewhere else. I don't know where sus TTY pronunciation, not gonna lie. Why is that sus? Teletype? Can I see a compilation error for the process, please? Yeah, here, I'll show you real quick. And it doesn't really work. Here. I go into kernel.c. I unchecked memory or a process right here. Right? Because when I hold on, I gotta become sudo. Jeez. Oops. Speech to text, lol. You said it as one word? What did I say as one word? Wait, no I didn't. Did I actually? I'm sorry, guys. Okay, okay. See, look. It's saying that there's multiple definitions of my what do you call it? Of the array for the processes, the structures for the processes, it says that it's here I'll just show you. Dot h. So right here is proer, right? I'm just gonna make this some crazy whack name, right? I did not copy that anywhere. If I go back, oh my gosh. Okay, wait. Excuse. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. In defining crazy global variables, age is not allowed. Oh. Okay, ignore that. If you guys were here last stream, remember we named this crazy, but for some reason it's saying I could use externs. Could. Oh my gosh, what the Shift V. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get better at not using the mouse. Delete. What the fuck? It's just cooked all around. Okay. Let's try this. Oh, hold up. I accidentally spelled it wrong. I spelt it wrong again. Why the hell did you... I put it in .c? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, bro. I'm out of it today. What are we thinking? Honestly, guys, I'm a bit rusty since the break. I might have to low-key start everything from scratch and then rebuild it up so I just remember. What do you guys think about that? Instead, get Neuralink. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is something wrong with the kernel? Again, it's something wrong with the kernel. Why are we manually looking through? Why are we manually looking through all these files for this variable instance? We're not. I could just use grep. Give me a sec. I low-key don't know how to use grep. Bro, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. There, we'll just use this. I demolished him too hard the last time. Okay, look. Proer. See, it's only in processes, right? We also look, because maybe it was a header error. Include process.h. It's only declared in kernel and process.c. So I don't really know what's the problem here, right? What could be the problem? Can anybody help me out? Does anybody know? Okay, here. We're gonna get some outside help. Are you gonna send it? Oh, he's sending it right now. Okay. That seems simple enough. We extern and then we declare it in the C file. What the? How does that work? Thank you, Navimi. Thank you, bro. Okay, but explain to me why that would be an error. Is there a GitHub for this project? Yes, but I haven't updated it in a while. It is on my GitHub in my bio. Bro, who's calling back up? Guys, I feel like shit right now. Because I completely forgot everything pretty much. Jesus. error? Oh, my phone turned off. What is next? Running applications, processes, and then we are looking at including timer. Okay, so that works. Everything works. Cool. Update the process. Explanation. There will be multiple definition errors if you include process.h and process.c. And in any other .c file, you need to define proper or proer in process.c and define extern proer in process.h. So the other files can use proer as a reference, not really a reference. So you don't have to. So you don't have multiple definition error. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you, Navimi. Thank you. I'll read the book you guys send. Guys, give me some good books. I'll read the books because right now everything that I've done for now. A little bit slow. Oh my god, my phone keeps turning off. I was trying to figure out I know this man did not just suggest a Java book to me. That's it. I'm pulling the trigger. No Java, bro. Redeclare it here. Oh my god. The unsigned integer declaration for text, because bro want to be Terry Davis so bad. No, bro. I don't want to be schizophrenic. The hell? Make it run Ableton Live. What's Ableton? What is Ableton? Okay. New process. I guess so, but like, does it really matter? I guess it saves a little bit, but does it really matter? Okay, think. Why would it? Because here, how it screw it up is I then have to include std into um, not process, but what am I thinking right now? Guys, I'm lost. If you overflow your text, then it'd be negative. Okay. No, you're right. You're right. But then how would? Okay. No, you're right. You're right. Uh, guys. Okay. Include. But see if I include std in here, it won't run because of a header error. Or no, will. What the fuck? It will run. Oh, that's weird. I think I just need a refresher, guys. I'm just off. Let's actually do that. Let's read his book. Jesus. Nah, fuck it. These books are you reading? Somebody suggested me books. And I had it bookmarked somewhere. Here we go. Is this it? Okay, wait. Okay, wait. What's the name of your OS? It's EthOS. Here's what I'm gonna do, guys. Bookmarks. Do I have any bookmarks? What was that book called? What was that book called that he suggested that last time? I forget. What was that book? Tobe, what's funny? Operating System 3 Easy Pieces. Yeah, okay, so the meaning behind the name isn't that deep. It's just Ethan or Eth OS, which is funny. There it is. Okay. Thank you. Let's just start at the beginning. Preface, dialogue, introduction. Okay, wait, where do we start? I want to learn everything. I want the preface. Introduction. Okay, now this is based. Yeah. I'm going to read everything. It's called operating system as it's in charge of making sure the system operates correctly and efficiently in a easy to use manner. The primary way to do Oh my god. The primary way the OS does this is through a general technique that we call virtualization. That is, the OS takes a resource such as a processor or memory or disk, and transforms it into a general, powerful, and easy to use virtual form of itself. Thus, we sometimes refer to the operating system as a virtual machine. Okay, so why is this talking about virtualization? Stop reading if it's too hard. Yeah, I'm shocked you could read a book with ADHD. Yeah, I can't read, guys. I could read, but like, okay, sometimes it's like you can read the book, but it doesn't compute in your mind. Like it just feels like you're like listening to it, kinda, or almost, um, like that. I don't know why it has introduction to operating systems if it is using standard libraries. Virtualizing the CPU allows it to spin the function that repeats checks if okay. Not too interesting of a run. The system begins running the program, which repeatedly checks the time until a second has elapsed. Once a second has passed, the code prints the input string passed in by the user. In this example, the letter A, and continues. Note that program will run on forever by pressing Control C. Okay. Okay. It will halt it. Running many programs. Yeah, like what do you call it? Now fuck it, guys. Tell me what is like a full book on operating system that I could like look and it's free. I'm talking about like interrupts, the global descriptor table. We're gonna restart Ethos. We're gonna restart it. We're gonna start from day one. Literally none. No, not refactor. I need to. First, let's do a book. Is a computer is computer engineering better than computer science? I don't want to be jobless. I don't really know. I think CS computer engineering is probably better for you. Um, but actually, guys, I think the job market's recovering a little bit. The job oh my god, the job. Terrence Andrew Davis. A Minix book. Oh my god. Okay. Intentionally, why was this left blank? Funny joke there. What are you going to specialize at? Claude 3.7 is out in the job market. It's recovering. listen, listen. Can Claude do bubble sort? I don't think so. I don't think so. Can it build a full functioning operating system? No, it cannot. No. Okay, whatever. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, this is what we need. Listen, I'm not going to touch the operating system until I finish this book. 1,000 pages. 1,071 pages. 300 pages intentionally left blank. Oh, well, yeah, what the fuck, guys? Okay, wait. Why am I on... Bro. Did you guys... Okay, wait. Did you guys... Do you study at Purdue? No. This is my grandpa's hat. He went to Purdue. He did mechanical engineering. Okay, let's just go to the top. Goodbye. W-Unk? He said W. Do you know how to torrent? Torrent? Oh my god. Torrent's like when you crack software and then like I just know it has to do with cracking software. Like that's the only reason why I've heard, or the only place I've heard it is he said no, that's the only place I heard it, because you need a special torrent software to run the crack software. No, listen. I didn't say that correctly. That's what I meant. Okay, we don't need to read the preface. Okay, here we go. Without its software, a computer is basically a useless lump of metal. With its software, a computer can store, process, and retrieve information, play music and videos, send emails, search the internet, and engage in many other valuable activities to earn its keep. The computer science, oh my god. The computer software can be divided roughly into two kinds: system programs, which manage the operating system. Okay. No, we're reading it. Which performs what the actual work the user wants. The most fundamental system program is the operating system, whose job is to control all the computer's resources and provide a base upon which the application programs can be written. The operating systems are the topic of this book. In particular, a operating system is called whatever, is used as a model to illustrate design principles and the realities of implementing a design. A modern computer system consists of one or more processors, some main memory, disks, printers, a keyboard, a display, a network interface, and other input-output devices. All in all, a complex system. Writing programs that keep track of all these components and use them correctly, let alone optimally, is an extremely difficult job for if every programmer had to be concerned with how disk drives work. What area of CS are you planning to specialize in? I don't know. I'm still a freshman. Still a freshman. So I don't know. All in all, a complex system, writing programs that keep track of all these components and use them correctly, let alone optimally. This is an extremely difficult job if every programmer had to be concerned with how disk drives work and with all the dozens of things that could go wrong when reading a disk block. It is unlikely that many programs can be written at all. Many years ago, it became abundantly clear that some way had to be found to shield programmers from a complexity of the hardware. The way that has evolved gradually is to put a layer of software on top of the bare hardware to manage all the parts of the system and represent the user with an interface or a virtual machine. That is easier to understand the program. The layer of the software is the operating system. The placement of the operating system is shown in Fig. Oh, okay. At the bottom is hardware. What the hell is a banking? Oh, it's just that. Physical devices, microarchitecture, machine language, operating system. Okay, yeah. Array tubes and similar physical devices. How these are constructed and how they work is the province of the electrical engineer. Whatever. Next comes the microarchitecture level, in which the physical devices are grouped together to form functional units. Typically, this level contains some registers internal to the CPU and a data path containing an arithmetic logic unit. In each clock cycle, one or two operands are fetched from the registers and combined in a oh my god. You said college reveal? No, bruh. Where's it at? A result is this. Oh, where are we at? Okay, I'm just gonna. On some machines, the operation of the data path is controlled by software called the microprogram. On other machines, it is controlled directly by hardware circuits. The purpose of the data path is to execute some sort of instructions. Some of these can be carried out in one data path cycle. Others may require multiple data path cycles. These instructions may use registers or other hardware facilities together. The hardware and instruction. What did I just say? The hardware and instructions visible to an assembly language program. Form the ISA. This level is often called machine language. Yeah, he said web dev. Everything happens in a browser. For example, a disk can be commanded to read by loading the values of the disk address, main memory address, byte count, and direction, read or write into its registers. In practice, many more parameters are needed, and the status returned by the drive after an operation may be complex. Furthermore, many I/O devices timing plays an important role in the programming. A major factor of the operating system is to hide all the complexity and give the programmer a more convenient set of instructions to work with. For example, read block from file is conceptually much simpler than having to worry about the details of moving disk heads, waiting for them to settle down, and so on. On top of the operating system is the rest of the system software. Here we find the command interpreters, shell, Windows systems, compiler, editors, and similar application independent programs. Yeah, it is important to realize that these programs are definitely not part of the operating system, even though they are typically supplied pre-installed by the computer manufacturer or in the package with the operating system if it's installed after purchase. This is crucial but subtle. Kernel mode or supervisor mode. It is protected from the user tampering by the hardware. Compilers and editors run in user mode. If a user does not like a particular compiler, he is free to write his own. If he so chooses, he is not free to write his own clock interpret handler, which is part of the operating system and is normally protected by hardware against attempts by users to modify it. This distinction, however, is sometimes blurred in embedded systems which may or not have kernel mode, or interpreted systems such as Java-based systems that use, where was I? That use interpretation, not hardware, to separate the components. Still, for traditional computers, the operating system is what runs in the kernel, runs in kernel mode. That said, in many systems, there are programs that run in user mode, but which help the operating system or perform privileged functions. For example, there is often a program that allows users to change their passwords. This program is not part of the operating system and does not run in kernel mode, but it clearly carries out a sensitive function and has to be protected in a special way. In some systems, including the operating system, this idea is carried to an extreme form. The gaming potato, I'll show you it real quick, but we got to get back to reading. This is it so far, but this is it so far. We have the skeleton pretty much done, and we kind of have a shell program. We have interrupts enabled. We have a timer. We have keyboard with interrupts. We have paging done, and we have a virtual file system. And I kind of made like a little shell here. These are the files in our virtual file system so far. p.txt and p.c, and actually they store a value. I'll kind of show you that real quick. Yeah, see, create ethos, and it has ethos starter as its kind of sub data. Thank you, Gaming Potato. I appreciate that. Do you plan to make a GUI? Yes, probably in the next, after we finish processes. We use Grub as the bootloader. I might switch it to Linline. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Global descriptor table. We figured that out. I think this is in 32-bit protected mode. I already said that. I don't know why it's a little bit laggy just because I'm running a VM in a VM. It's cooked. But clear, we have clear command, ls, and exit info. That's pretty much. Do you plan to make your own chatbot? I could, yeah. In the future, I think it would be probably viable to create one. Especially since I want. Okay, but if I'm creating a chatbot, I want to be able to, you know, I personally wish I could make my own OS. I'm not that good at this kind of stuff, though. If I made one, it would boot with Freeloader. Thank the React OS gods. Yes, sir. I've actually never heard of Freeloader. But okay, so far, you can follow along. I'm literally just, literally, oh my god, I'm literally just reading. Like, this is just from square one. What happened was I got a lot of it done, right? And then about December 23rd last year, I had a car accident, and I had a pretty bad concussion. So I couldn't program for about, I think it was about a month, maybe a month and a half. And I'm just rusty on everything. So I'm kind of just getting caught back up to speed. That's kind of what's going on. So we're just going to be reading this for the next couple episodes. In some system, oh my gosh. User mode makes sense. Yeah. What is an operating system? Gee, I don't know. What is the name of the book? Shoot. Okay, so we're on 23. I'll freaking out. design and implementation, third edition. That's most computer users have some experience with an operating system, but it's difficult to pin down precisely what an operating system is. Part of the problem is that operating systems perform two basic unrelated functions: extending the machine and managing resources, and depending on who is doing the talking, you hear mostly about one function or the other. Let's look at both. The operating system as an extended machine. As mentioned earlier, the architecture, instruction set, memory organization, I/O, and bus structure of most computers at the machine level language is primitive and awkward to program, especially for input output. To make this point more concrete, let us briefly look at how floppy disk I/O is done using the NEC PD765 compatible controller chips. Used in many Intel-based personal computers, the PD765 has 16 commands, each specified by loading between 1 and 9 bytes into a device register. These commands are for reading and writing data, moving the disk arm, and formatting tracks, as well as initializing, sensing, resetting, and recalibrating the controller and the drives. The most basic commands are read and write, each of which requires 13 parameters packed into 9 bytes. These parameters specify such items as the address of the disk block to be read, the number of the sectors per track, the recording mode used in the physical medium, the intersector gap spacing, and what to do with a deleted data address mark. If you do not understand this mumbo jumbo, do not worry. That is precisely the point. It is rather hysteric. Hysteric? I don't fucking know. Bro, have you not looked at the OS wiki yet? I have. I've been doing this. EEPROM though. I have looked at the OS wiki. We're on day like 93 now, so I've gotten this far. Most from the OS wiki, helped me a lot. But the only problem is that, maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. You know what? Maybe you're right. Okay. Let's just get started. We're gonna go through the whole thing today. Okay, we don't need an introduction. Let's go with basic computer science, language of vocabulary, assembly, programming experience, programming practice, Unix experience, toolchain, emulators and virtualizers. Oh my gosh, emulators and virtualizers, executable formats, the platform, the concept. Okay, we have all that. Getting started. Let's look at the hard truth. Hopefully, the basic fact that operating system development is a complicated and ongoing process that does not discourage you. The truth is, Operating system development is truly unparalleled since it requires the utmost amount of patience and careful code design, and it returns very little to no instant gratification you get from the development of things like games and web-based or scripting. You have been fairly warned of the hard work ahead, but you are still interested in proceeding forward. Into the realm of the operating system programmer, prepare yourself for occasional bouts of confusion, discouragement, and for some of us, temporary insanity. You've been in time with an okay. What? I don't really care about that. I don't care. Required knowledge, whatever. I just want to can be enough. Okay, let's just get started with. Okay, so we have bin utils, GCC, and make. Wait, what? Why is Python in here? An assembler sample NASM or gas. This varies depending on your target CPU architecture. Okay, we could just use NSM. That's where it's really good at. No, it is good at explaining. We're not on Windows. We're on Linux. Protecting your code. Okay, Git. We use Git. Whatever. Easy way to get started is hello 64-bit higher half kernel, which is going. Okay. You know what? Make directory scripting without Python? What do you mean without Python? Where would I use Python in this? Like in my operating system? Like run Python code? Is that what you mean? New. Okay. Totally spelled that wrong. Okay. Let's get started with the lemon. Oh my god. Okay. For this example, we will create two files to create a basic directory tree for a project. Source, main.c, linker.ld. Okay, so the linker file. Okay. There's no entry point assembly stub. There's not necessarily llama call. We will download the header file. Should we just port the standard libraries to it? I mean, it has memcopy, memset, memmove, mempair. Wouldn't this just be our kernel? And this will be our linker. This would be a 64x86. This is the address which our kernel is stored at, I believe. Why the fuck is Lamine so Lamine? Lamine. So fucking complicated, yo. Building the kernel and creating an image. So this is the make file, but why would we have to override this? Makes no sense. I might use Lamine bootloader and tiny kernel. I use Linux to do this stuff, by the way. Hell yeah. Go for it, bro. Yeah, I'm using Arch right now. Okay, so to get started, we only need the linker file, the make file, and then to compile our program. Now, I don't know, and the line conf, whatever. I don't understand why we need this. What does this do? In order to build our kernel, we need to use a make file. Since we're going to use GNU to make specific features, we call this file GNU make file and said only GNU will process it. That's a good idea. Are you going to recite this entire project? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. I might just stick to grub, to be honest. I guess it'd just be better for our operating system. No, fuck it. Let's just do it. No, yeah, I'll keep it all as a reference, but like, you know, I do think, you know, you build it, to a certain point, then you restart it. I think restarting it would be better for me, is what I'm trying to say. We're gonna see how far we can get in about 4 hours. So we're gonna, okay. OSWiki will help us. Pretty sure I have. Where's it at? and I got me a job interview today. Hell yeah! Where are you interviewing at? That's awesome. Dude, we have our cross compiler. Okay, so we just got to download this shit because nobody's gonna make sense of it. Lamoon? How? Okay, how the fuck do you say it? Did you wear a tinfoil hat for the interview? Okay. There, we have that done. No. Kernel.c. Include lime limine.h. Okay. I'm so confused. Wait. It could be both. It could be both this and another. It really doesn't matter what it is. It could be this, but it also could be that. If it makes you guys happy, I'll put it like that. Um, See, why wouldn't I just make a grub? Because grub is so much easier. Oh, fuck it. We'll just do it with grub. I don't even care. Oh, hold up. The hell is this? This video has encouraged me to start an OS dev journey. Hell yeah. Beginner mistake. No, I know the purpose of it, especially in the later steps of, building like multi boot and stuff like that, for paging and stuff. Like I know. This video has inspired me to become a schizophrenic. Are we serious? What? Okay, what if I'm actually schizophrenic, and me looking at you guys, and you guys aren't real? What if you guys aren't real? Holy shit, we have 15 people in the chat right now, guys. Okay. Make directory. He said no. Guys, I love you guys. You guys are so funny. Okay. Boot. I forget how to structure this. It's like, hey, can you see this for a second? I want to talk to you about. I want to talk about something. What if I'm not real? Then how am I supposed to start? Oh, it's Debbing. Oh no. What is it? What is it? What is it? Why does he use an sh file? Why doesn't he just use a make file? Okay, I guess. Grub's hella bloated though. I do gotta say. Dump. Ratsy's finding out us glows are implanting people in his brain. You could also think of it as an operating system for a radio receiver. Holy shit, Henry. An operating system for a radio receiver? Dog. Holy crap. Okay. So, make directory grub g set timeout equal to 1. Boot immediately. Or no, 0, because we want to boot that immediately. I don't really know what default does. Menu entry. This is what we are going to, that name that shows up when we boot up grub. So oh, but the code is optimized to be used in a certain device, right? So I'm just thinking maybe you can give you a little bit of inspiration if you understood like the hardware. What the fuck? Hello, did you fix the problem of changing color? Because that color looks like poop mud. Oh my god. I thought that said something totally different. See you, Potato Gaming. Thank you for stopping by. Look, if that color looked like poop, you better get checked, bud. Yeah, oh god, what the fuck? Okay. Menu entry, what should we call it? Shit. Eat this. Something simple, something light. Okay, now we defined multi boot boot/kernel boot. Okay. Directory called boot. We should be able to. Now we got to create a linker file. .600 operating system. Okay, so we got that set up. Now we actually have to compile. I'm not jocking that color. It's so bad. At least change it to black. Add functionality to change it. Oh my gosh. You need a. Okay, wait. Okay, OS name there. Done. He said, I hope. I hope it works. Menu entry. Why would he time out for 15? Kernel file. This is if we wanted to support FAT32. All right, we got all that. What we need to do is find the linker for it. The L Torto. Guys, should we try something like an L file? Play around with that. Color looks fine. I'd say make it brighter, otherwise fine. It's like it's actually orange, believe it or not. It's like an orange brown. It's not go for UEFI. Now I'm asking for like the third time, but you hopping on chess? No, bro, we gotta log in. We gotta log in. We gotta log in. Go, what the fuck? Okay. Say to piss if anything. He's afraid to get his cheek smashed. I don't blame him. I'm rated 400 and I could be Ethan. Okay, okay. Let's see what I did for my other operating system. Linked it all. Okay, so I finished Starfield, download Starfield. I've never played Starfield. I've never played Starfield. I'm sorry, bro. We're gonna go till okay, here we go. Boom. Gotta go see Audio Tour. Yeah, I've never played it either till today. Is it good? Maybe I'll play it one time on stream. Okay, so let's see what each thing does before we type it in. So it's kind of going to be like a boot file. Some assembly dot set line 1 push 0. Jeez. Men info. Okay, let's see what everything does. Aligns loaded modules on page boundaries. Okay. Mem info. Provides memory map. Okay, so this sets up everything for our multi-boot and all our information about, you know, the pages, our memory, what else? Our flags and stuff like that. And we could pass that on into our operating system and then enable paging. Okay, so we align mem info 1 set flags align mem. Dot set magic then I don't, this is the magic number for yeah, it's bad boo too. No, I remember this. I remember this. One bad bow BOO2, just like that. Let's set check sum. This will be our magic plus our flags. Okay. Now we need to declare that multi-boot. Dot section dot boot dot align 4 dot long magic dot long flags dot long check sum, and that should be it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So with that, we should have defined all of the stuff up here. Now we got to figure out the stack and stuff. So it looks like we start the stack function here. And this is the bottom. It skips 16 kilobytes. I don't know how low that goes. And then our linker script determines where the start is. So like, yeah. Let's fill this out real quick. So dot section dot bss line 16, and then bottom it will be dot skip .384. Stack top will then be section will just be blank. Start declaring what function we are going to run first. All right, and now we are going to call start. Now here's where we're going to call our kernel in our other file. So yeah, call kernel main. So we need to move our stack, the top of our stack, into ESP so we can load our kernel. Greetings. If you are trying to make a Linux OS, make sure it stands out in every way possible. From gaming, stability, and a top-notch kernel, the likes of Liquors. Plus, make sure it plays nicely on lower-end hardware. Sounds like a bet. me go back. Move the top of the stack to ESP. To ESP. And then we call our kernel name, which will be ethos main. Cool. And then we finish that with CLI, halt, and then we're going to jump to 1B. Down here, size. Then let's go in the make file. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay. So that we need to put we could just use NASM for this. All NASM boot, or no, we can use, let's see where I stored it. ls copy this real quick. There we go. /root/opt/ cross/bin. Okay. /cross/ bin and then I. Okay, cross/bin/ I686-elf/as. Okay, as. AS should just be boots.s -oe boots. Let's create a build folder, and then let's also source. Huh. Did I do it right? The fuck? I don't know what I'm missing. Eric, bro, it's 2 a.m. What do you mean instruction missing? What the fuck is wrong with this? I'm tired but low-key bored. So you come to my stream? Okay, so now it works. Must have missed something. Okay. Boot.o. Right, whatever. Okay, so here we go. Kernel.c. Don't need to include anything. Void main main, boom, boom, boom. Void main, recall, boom, halt. Eric, are you still in the chat? That was assembly. This is going to be GCC / root. Let's also put paste all these flags in. Flags, and then okay, so let's also see C flags, and then -o / build boot.s build / kernel.o. Also low key put up here, ld equals /roots obt /cross /bin /i6 e6 -elf -ld. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. I am here. So you're doing assembly code incorrect? What do you mean? It's just it's bootstrapped assembly. This is all our stuff for multi-boot. Um, this is the bottom of our stack. We skip 16 gigabyte or kilobytes. Here's a stack top. We define global or start as our start function. We start, move the stack to ESP, and then we call our kernel.main, and then we halt the CPU, or we continue the CPU. Or CLI, what does CLI do? I don't know. We halt the kernel, and then we jump to 1B. It's just setting up grub. And then here's just our shell okay, yeah, you've been reading the article. My question now is it going to be a hybrid system? What do you mean by hybrid system? What do you think Steve Jobs... Think of Steve Jobs saying Android is a stolen product. Did he actually say that? I mean, I guess it uses some form of Linux, but they had to create their own version of Linux. But Apple just has shitty hardware. I guess it really doesn't matter. Their software is pretty great. I got to give them that. But I got to say, for the average consumer, the iPhone's probably better. If you're more technically advanced or a programmer, you could use Android. Android is great. But to call Android a stolen product is just wrong. It's just wrong. Boom, boom. Okay, now we have to create the linker file. So, where we at? C out of this. Linker.ld. Entry starts. And then we have to create sections. Sections. Low key. At 2 hours, I think I'm going to go to bed. I'm linking the kernel. Okay. Read only data. Read write data. Initialize. Read write data. Okay. So you don't have to make this complicated. Just be Like that. I'm gonna go continue to program in Rust. Good luck with that, noob. Thank you for your help so far. I mean, like you've been a great help to me so far. I appreciate it. Thank you. Okay. Now we have to link everything together using LD. You should play User Anthem? What the hell is User Anthem? Oh, what the fuck? Oh no! Oh, the Soviet Union? I know what you're talking about. Okay, wait. Fix my phone. Okay. Right. Alright, you know what? Enough this. We'll play one round of chess. Okay? There's enough operating system for today. Whoever wants to play chess can play me. If you guys want. Who wants? If nobody wants to play chess, that's totally cool. Then I think we'll be done. But let me know who wants to play chess, or send me a invite or something. God, guys, I'm so tired. You programmed for almost 2 hours. Okay. You know what? Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, oh shoot, he wants to play. Oh, he wants to smoke. Carlos, it's over. You don't know what I'm about to hit you with. What the fuck? This is intense. Um, oh, we're running a speed round. I didn't even know that. Oh shit, my phone turned off. Sorry, I wasn't reading chat. Oh shoot it. It's my turn. Let's go here. How's he have one? Cannot let this shit slide. I gotta lock in. I forget we don't have time. I didn't know this was a bullet round. Not a bullet, but quick round. I was thinking about this one. Hmm. Not good. Not good. Fuck. All right, wait, wait. Rematch, rematch, rematch. GG's, GG's. Why are you moving your king up like that? I did have checkmate. I didn't see that. Okay, wait. Let's walk this there. Let's push up my defense. Oh, sorry about that, guys. This will be the last game. Oh, oh my god. I almost hung a queen. Or I did hang a queen. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Carlos, thank you. Fuck these up. What did you just take? No way, I just hung that. Oh my god, I'm fumbling, guys. Um, I should have just taken it. I don't know why. I don't know why I pushed pawn up. Oh, mostly because I could pin that rook. Um, oh. All right. GG's. GG's. All right. I'm going to hop off the stream today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's see. We peaked at like 15 viewers. That's a shit ton, guys. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this long video today. There's many more to come. I love every single one of you guys. Bye, guys. All right. See you guys. Bye, Audio Tour. Bye, Carlos. Bye, Henry. Thank you guys so much for, commenting. I love all you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.